Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in Heritage Bank? Then just watch this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You just need to open your browser and search for the keywords Heritage Bank Login and hit the enter button. After that, you will see many search results related to Heritage Bank. Click on the login link which redirects you to the login page of Heritage Bank. Here you can see a login. Just click on it and then you will be redirected to the page. It's the official page of Heritage Bank. The interface looks like this. You can see login button at the right side in the top corner. Click on this login button and it will redirect you to the login form of the Heritage Bank. Just click on it. You can see the screen is loading and here it is the sign in to Heritage Online. You have to fill the member number over here, put the member number over here, and then you have to fill the password in this password box and simply click on this login button. And if all the credentials are correct, you will be logged in Heritage Bank.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.